Kumusta? I'm John. I'm studying graduate diploma in engineering. I'm enrolled last semester in Design Factory and part of Get With The Teams. We interviewed the mayor for some details. How can she describe the teams itself, the situation, and what are the problems of it, so that we could think of solutions later on the as the course progress.
Cool.
Maybe showcasing some of my knowledge about other softwares like SketchUp for the go for it, because you're gonna experience not only the engineering stuff but outside of it. Yeah.